Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DaVinci Resolve for Dolby Vision workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the DaVinci Resolve section on the home page. You'll find information about different versions of DaVinci Resolve available, including the free and paid options. Select Download to access the latest version of DaVinci Resolve. Choose your operating system from the available options, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. After selecting your operating system, the download process will begin. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install DaVinci Resolve. After installation, launch the application from your desktop or Applications folder. Return to the Blackmagic Design website and navigate to the DaVinci Resolve Studio page. Select the Buy button to purchase a license for DaVinci Resolve Studio. You will be presented with options for purchasing online or from authorized resellers. If purchasing online, fill in the required personal and payment information. Complete the purchase and confirm your transaction. Once your purchase is confirmed, you will receive a license key via email. Return to DaVinci Resolve Studio and select Preferences from the menu. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Licensing section. Enter your license key to activate your DaVinci Resolve Studio subscription. After successful activation, you can explore the Dolby Vision features. Open a project and enable Dolby Vision settings within the Color workspace. Familiarize yourself with the tools available for HDR grading and Dolby Vision optimization. Make sure to export your project in a compatible format to fully utilize Dolby Vision. With these steps, you're now ready to enhance your content with Dolby Vision using DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.